Are you tired of boring plain rice? What if we told you that we could transform a simple, quick-to-make rice dish by combining the aromatic goodness of Italian seasoning with the subtle, luxurious richness of coconut milk? Well, today, we're going to show you how to make this delicious herb rice in minutes. First, let's melt a quarter cup of unsalted butter in a pan over medium-high heat. While that butter is melting, go ahead and peel and finely chop about 1 cup of yellow onion. Sauté the onions until they're soft and slightly brown, which usually takes 5 to 6 minutes. Time to add the star of the show by putting in 2 cups of pre-rinsed long grain rice. And stir for about a minute to toast. Time for the liquid. Add 2 cups of chicken stock and let it boil. As soon as it hits a boil, we're going to immediately reduce the heat way down low. Pour in a quarter cup of coconut milk to add a luxurious richness. For simple seasoning, add a quarter teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of freshly ground pepper. To finish up the seasoning, add in 1 teaspoon of dried Italian herbs. Cover and let the rice cook for 15 minutes. Once all the liquid is gone, take a fork and gently fluff it up. As the final step before serving, garnish the rice with about a tablespoon of chopped fresh parsley. And just like that, this quick herb rice with coconut milk is done. If you're looking for the perfect main dish to pair it with, make sure you subscribe because our next video will show you exactly what to make. Thanks so much for watching and give this video a thumbs up if you love this recipe. And we will see you in the next one.